welcome to the Pale and Interesting vlog. If you're new around here, thank you so much for stopping by. I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone that has liked, commented, subscribed or shared my videos with anyone, because that has enabled me to finally hit my 100 subscribers. So thank you so much for that. Today's a little bit of a different video. We're actually going to be doing something with hair. So if you've been watching my videos for the past few weeks or few months now, actually, you may have noticed that I have blonde hair. However, I normally look like this. So I've had every single colour of pastel hair I think there is on the market, apart from green or teal. And because of that, my friends at Halam Salon have asked me to share and try their new range of Davines creative conditioners. So this is the colour that I have been sent. So let's open it up. And look at that colour. Oh my gosh. And it smells so good. I can't pinpoint what it actually smells like, but that is absolutely beautiful. So today we are going to be turning my hair pink. So I want to tell you a little bit about the product before we get started. And I've got my notes here so I don't get anything wrong. So mixed with Davines Essential Hair Conditioner, we are going to be mixing that with the new Davines Essential Hair Conditioner, which is for bleached hair. So this conditioner helps detangle, hydrate and offers a temporary colour or tone, which is absolutely great. This is the pink one and it's best on blonde and lightened hair. It's 98% biodegradable ingredients, 95% natural origin. Jojoba oil offers shine, softness and high conditioning effects. There is no silicone, recycled plastic jar. Labels are made from plastic from renewable sources. And it's got carbon neutral packaging. All sounds amazing and right up everyone's street at the moment. And we can apply this on bleached hair every 5 to 6 weeks, and it's only £21.40. So I'm guessing this is 250 ml. So that to me looks like it's going to go a long way. Now, like I said, this has been gifted to me by Halam Salon, and if you would like to try it and you live near South or Nottinghamshire, you can go into Salon and you can add this to your hair for £10. So it's a little bit of a try before you buy there as well. So what we need to do is I'm going to go and wet my hair and then I'm going to show you how to apply it. So I'll be back in just one tick. Okay, so here I am with I've just wet my hair, I've not washed it. It's just been towel dried. I've got my conditioner in here. Now you can actually apply this neat, so you can just put it on like that, but because I'm looking for a pastel colour, that is why I am mixing it in with the conditioner. So you can use any conditioner, but this is the new conditioner by the same company, Davines. So I've just got an old spoon. I'm just gonna spoon a little bit in, mix it in until I'm happy with the colour. Ooh, oh, do you know, if you're mixing it, it smells amazing. So that's what it looks like at the minute. I think I might put a little bit more in. Why not? Just to, oh gosh, it smells so good. It doesn't smell like a hair product at all. Normally when you do this kind of thing, it smells of hair product, like quite a putting off smell, but this doesn't at all. It smells absolutely beautiful. So that's the colour I'm going to go for. I have been given a little brush, but I don't know whether I'll use that. I've got gloves because these things do tend to stain. I'm just going to pop that to one side. So whilst I am going to show you, oh, these are hard to put on. They're a bit big. I don't know how long I'll stick it out with the gloves. Right. Oh, ignore that. Okay, so I'm just going to part my hair. Gosh, how do hairdressers do this? It's really hard with the gloves. And I'm going to clip that bit up out of the way. This is just an old towel because I didn't know how bad it would be. I've got a mirror just down here. And I'm just going to... I'll try with the brush first, just to see if I get on with it. Ooh. I think I might end up just using my hands, to be honest. Doesn't feel very natural to me using the brush. So I'm just going to coat every bit like this, and whilst I'm doing this, I'm going to flash up on the screen the other colours that you can get. So depending on your hair colour, you can use all these colours, and some do last more for more shampoos than others. So I will put the Davines website in my description bar, as well as Halam Salon, where you can buy these products from. And if you want to know how long particular colours last, then you can research it on there. I'll also put their social media up as well for you. But these tubs are £21.40, and honestly, for the amount that I've used, I can only imagine that's going to last me ages, because it also says that this will go for between 3 and 5 washes. And if you're anything like me, I wash my hair probably twice a week if I'm lucky. So that is going to last me a long time. Sometimes things sound like they're expensive until you realise how long the product's actually going to last. So I'm going to keep rubbing this into my hair. I might speed it up from this point on, because obviously you can just see I'm doing the same thing. I'm just making sure all the hair is coated. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'm going to speed it up for you guys. Okay, so there we go, that is all on. I portioned that absolutely perfect. And yeah, so we're going to set a timer now, and we are going to leave this for 20 minutes. So I will see you in 20 minutes. So let's see what this turns out like. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. I've washed it off. I've had to change my top because I got my old t-shirt super wet doing this, so that's fine. That's why I was wearing an old t-shirt. So let's have a look. Oh, where's my tangle teaser? Oh, hold on. Oh, it's looking really nice and subtle. Oh, that is looking like a lovely little tint. So we're going to blow dry it, and obviously no one wants to see a video of someone just blow drying the hair, so I'm going to blow dry it so you can see the process. However, I'm going to speed it up so you can see how it dries without having to watch me blow dry my hair. But that is so far looking like a beautiful pink tint. How exciting. Okay, let's blow dry. So this is the end result of a subtle soft pink with the product muted down with the conditioner. This is actually perfect for me. It really gives a lot more warmth to my skin tone. It takes all the golden notes out of my hair, which I'm not really that fond of. However, there's going to be a few people out there that are going to want to see what happens when you go in a bit strong with this. So for the next part of the video, I am going to do exactly that. I've made up a stronger version of the product and I'm now going to apply that to my hair, and I'm going to come back to you with a finished result. So for me, this is probably going to take 20 minutes prep time, then I'm going to wash it, blow dry, etc. again. So for me, maybe 45 minutes. For you, I'll be back in just 1 second. So here is the finished product. Obviously, I have applied this to wet hair. So even with the additional colour in the conditioner this time, you are still going to get a little bit more of a subtle look. If you want the high intensity of the colour, so you want something quite similar to this, don't mix it with conditioner and pop it on dry hair and you're going to get closer to this colour. I absolutely love the colour. I really hate those golden tones in my hair that you would have saw at the start of the video, and that's why I always have a toner put on. But obviously I've not been going to the hairdressers, so I've not been able to do that. So you guys have just known me with like bleach blonde hair really. But the difference between this product and some other at-home toners I've used before is this feels like it's nourished, hydrated my hair. My hair is very soft, it feels very sleek, it feels like it's in amazing condition, and I really feel like I've put a toner and a hair mask on my hair. The condition of it is vastly improved. It is so soft and shiny. Let me just show you the shine on this. I'm going to zoom in. Zoom in a bit. Look at this. That is absolutely beautiful, and you can see all the different tones that have clung on to the different colours in my hair. So you can see it looks a little bit peachy in some places and it looks a bit more pink in some places. Now I absolutely love that multitonal effect, and the reason it's done that on my hair is because previous to me bleaching my hair, I'd highlighted hair. So even though my hair looks one consistent colour, because it's only one timed bleach over the top of highlighted hair, I still do have a few dark patches in there, so the colour is going to cling to them differently. But I actually really love that. I think it looks really multitonal and beautiful. So I am super chuffed. I feel like I'm not in a rush to get back to the hairdressers now. If you know anyone that wants to add a funky colour to their hair, I definitely recommend the Davines, I hope I'm saying that right, Davines brands. As I showed you earlier in my video, there is loads of colours to choose from. They last between, this colour on bleached hair lasts between 2 and 5 washes. I only tend to wash my hair a couple of times a week, so this is, for £21, this is actually going to last me a long time. And I think I might have a play around with it as well. I might just put it on neat next time and see what my preferences are. But yeah, it's definitely got my stamp of approval. I love it. If you like this kind of video, please do give it the thumbs up. If you want to come back for more weekly videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you've got any questions about the product, then please do write them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit of something different. And yeah, I hope you like the hair as much as I do. I'll see you next time.